Asalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi barakaatuhu. Dhammaan dadka maaragtay daawan doona videogan waxaan insha allahu tacaala aan ugu talagalnay inaan ku wareysano wax yar brother Nuur oo hadda jooga Georgia, I think Atlanta Georgia. Marka hore reer San Jose ahaa. brother Nuur wuxuu ka mid ahaa dhalinyaradii maaragtay trainingkii Abadre Academy online coaching courses ka qaatay oo hadda ganacsiga Amazon sameeya. Marka insha Allah wax yar oo update ayaan rabay inaan ku weydiiyo processkii experience-gii iyo wuxuu soo arkay. Insha Allah probably productgiisa waan soo share garan doonaa screen-ka haduu la yiraahdo. Brother Nuur, so really thank you so much for accepting our request to do this short interview. MashaAllah, brother. Waxaan rabay inaan ku bilaabo marka hore. I think it's been long, about 3 months right now. Inta hadda ku jirtay
3 months, since I belong.
3 months, MashaAllah, since training ka maalinta coaching training ka qaad. Waxaa brother iga sheekaysa. I know hadda you have your product on Amazon. You've been through a lot of process. How was it marka processka coaching ka ama koorsada Amazon FBA bilaawaysi? How was that process?
I started off, just wanted to know a lot about Amazon and Amazon FBA and how, the business works. And alhamdulillah, that I feel like I have a good grasp of it. And before that, I was a little confused. But now I see, how to connect the whole thing now, because at the beginning, we started off, from coaching, looking at things you need to do, to steps to follow to look at a product. And after we looked through that and we did, registered for a brand and all that, we did all the steps. Then there came the hard part of finding the actual product and, putting it on Amazon and then looking for ratings and moving on. But alhamdulillah, after all that, I feel like we're on the right path now. And I just in the beginning stages, I have one product, private label product on Amazon right now, live, and it's doing okay. It's now doing okay. Yeah, it's doing definitely.
MashaAllah. So companygaada magaciisa noo sheeg.
How I company Task Plus.
MashaAllah. Task Plus. And how was it? Was it hard to come up name for your company in the beginning?
So it's pretty easy, coming up with name and coming up with your brand and coming up, with logos. It's not very hard at all. It's actually very interesting, and actually it's very fun. When you look through it, it's very, very good experience. You're gonna go through and you realize, you're not so much different from all the different companies that's on, on Amazon, and you never realize what that's behind it. You don't know how many what people went through to put this product on there, and it opens your eyes a little bit.
Yeah, and wallahi sometimes waxaan horta mararka qaar waxaan maqlaa dad badan oo waxaa jira soo galay kambaniyo maaragtay aniga xataa I was one of them, ACN, Amway Global, and all that big companies. Rag badan dhalinyaro badan oo soo galay ayaan arkay oo maaragtay lacag badan uga dhuntay, kharash badan uga dhumay. Marka ganacsiga Amazon, to have a business on Amazon FBA business, maxaa isleedahay inay uga duwan tahay? What difference does it have from this companies?
From that perspective, the biggest difference, it's you have more of a control. You kind of, it's your own business in the sense like a lot of people always throw that, you have to manage your own business, but this one is actually really yours, because you decide how much money you want to put in, how much wood you want to put in, and then from there, how much you're successful depends on you. The other programs, it's more of a pyramid. They call it pyramid style. Your success depends on the other people's success and other person's success, and so on. And circle. This one is not the case. It all depends on you, how much would you put in, how much time you spend. end of the day, you might have a product that might not work out. You might have one that works out. You might be just searching for some things, but the overall success of your business, it's on you. You determine pretty much. I don't have any control, so that's the biggest difference from.
MashaAllah. Now, hadda waxaan ogahay inaad productgaada ay live tahay Amazon. Waa u tegi doonaa taas. To choose a product and to choose a company and to do this process, and after you gone through, and based on your evaluation, how much time do you need to put this business to run a successful Amazon business?
Definitely, to hit the ground running, you need, I would say, I don't think, if you're a person who's going to spend the time it needs, probably not more than a month and a half to 2 months. You're not going to need more than that. I don't think so. Just to, get started on your first product and get experience and learn the ins and outs, how, the ratings work, how everything works, how, Amazon FBA business model is, and your competitors, all that stuff. There's a lot of things you have to learn. And, I think 2 months is good for you to have good grasp of it. Then, you can build on that after that. You have the money, you can move on to other products.
MashaAllah. And how was the process of choosing your first product? Some of the people, they tell me it's just hard to make a decision to come up your first product after the training. How was it for you?
Yes. Firstly, it could be confusing. There's a lot of numbers, a lot of things, a lot of products you're looking at. You don't know what. But, the process, there's a lot of elimination involved. You look at a lot of things. If you follow the model that coaching class gives you, then, that gives you a lot of idea of what you should eliminate, what you should be going into as far as competition and, availability and things like that. And of course, the cost, the end of the day, is going to come to how much it's going to cost from overseas and get it in the product from China, send it into FBA, and you have to calculate that. So it's good to always have a few products and then kind of find out which product is best for you as far as whatever money you have or what the is going to be. So
yeah, mashallah. So brother, thank you for that. Really, that's a deep information. In terms of manufacturing, one of the things we're really proud of is a lot of especially my people, Somalian people, will tell me, our people will tell me, if you want to go to China and you want to get a product from China, you have to go from here, take an airplane, go to China, rent a hotel, and get someone from the town, let that person take you to the manufacturer, show you around, pay that person, pay the airline ticket, pay the hotel, and then that's the only way to get a manufacturer. And they're convinced on that because it seems like getting manufactured, it's one of the hardest things that they can think of. In your process, I know you did not go through a wholesale or distributor or retail. You went straight to the manufacturer because you have your own company. So how was that process for you? Did you take an airplane to get there? How was it?
Yeah, so at first you're thinking, how I was going to put all together. But no, never did that. It was an easy process. Just going to a website, called Alibaba. You go through that, and it connects you directly through the manufacturer, where you can deal with them and give them your logo, and they will send. You tell them how much you want products made for you under that logo. They slap that on there for you, and they'll just send that out for you right away. It all depends on how much money you have and what kind of product you're getting. But it's pretty simple. You don't need to go over there. You don't need to take an airplane. Nothing like that. It's very, very simple. It's just getting the manufacturer. That's the most important part. There's so many different manufacturers, so you have to kind of look through a little bit. But it's just nothing. You can do that from your home. You don't need to go anywhere.
Mashallah. If you could give me a second, I'm gonna share my screen and then see if I can get hold of your product from Amazon. I'll try. Let's see. I should have prepared.
No problem.
I'm just gonna put straight your company name. If anybody sees this video and they want to buy it, this is Brother Noor product, and this is your first product. Right? I see. MashaAllah. So now this product is on Amazon FBA warehouse. You don't keep to your place. This is
Yes,
in Amazon warehouse, right?
that's correct. This product is at the FBA fulfillment center, and they whatever is ordered in the United States, they ship that out for you.
Oh, mashallah. So you're selling 1597. How much did this product cost on manufacturer?
Manufacturers, it was almost I believe $6 it cost me when the product. I got 100 pieces, so yeah, it's been about 600 for the product for them to get it to me with shipping.
MashaAllah, that's good. So shipment plus the manufacturer cost of the manufacturer, this
Yeah.
product costs you about $6, and then you're selling 1597.
Mm.
So the question is, um, uh, because of the quantity of your order, it was 100 pieces. That's why it's a little bit uh, more expensive than usual price. But
Yes.
do you think getting this low quantity and investing this small amount of money will get you on your way to build a good business in Amazon?
Yes, I mean you could do it, but normally we get this low number at the beginning. So just so you kind of test out the product, let's see how your competitors, how much it's selling a day, stuff like that. And once you find out all about this, then you can if it's a product that's selling very fast for you, you can get more like let's say 1,000 pieces, and probably the price will come down to maybe $4,
I see.
or maybe less than that with shipping, So it would be once product is for a sure thing, the more you order, the cheaper it will be for you. That's how it works. They give you a wholesale price over there, so that's the business.
Yeah, mashallah. So this is one of your products, and you have these two. You still have these two products there, the cell phone.
Yeah, I just put that up, and I
Mashallah.
just put that up a little bit ago. I've not worked too much on them yet. I've been working on my first product. But yeah, this product is available too. It's just a cell phone, iPhone 6. Yes.
Mashallah. So both cell phone cover, cell phone case,
Yeah.
and you have a popcorn popper, microwave popcorn popper. Those are the three products now you have live on Amazon that you're selling it. Mashallah, that's good. Let me see. I haven't visited your site for a couple of months. Let me see. Okay, it's on. Did you move to Shopify, or is it on?
I think I moved it out from Shopify to regular, and my Shopify account is not up right now. So
Oh, I see. Mashallah. Okay, that sounds perfect, brother. Overall, you saw this training, you saw these courses that we're talking about, that we urging people to look on Amazon business. You have seen this. What do you think overall for this training?
Yes, I think it's good. It's for definitely for certain type of people. You have to be somebody who's willing to learn and spend some time on it. You can't just say I'm going to look through videos and that's it. You have to actually look through. You have to come to the coaching, and you have to be ready to go. If you are, it could be a tremendous benefit to you. So everybody's different, but yeah, it can definitely be some really good business.
Mashallah. Yeah, I want to say to everybody who's watching this video, this product is belongs to Brother Noor, and he was one of the brothers who took the Badr Academy training. And inshallah, I think was a good opportunity to get some update from you. And I urge everybody who needs a popcorn popper that they can easily go to Amazon and Amazon.com and then try and then purchase the Brother Noor product. You can either look on microwave popcorn popper or with his company name. But if you came across to this product with this packaging and everything, and it says Plus Plus, that's his company name, that's his private label, you can purchase it and then give a good review and 5-star, inshallah.
Great.
Anything else, brother, you want to add? I think we are about.
Yeah, I want to say, yeah, so it's Amazon FBA, of course, there's a lot of different models that the coaching class teaches. It's not just Amazon FBA, and definitely you can take advantage of. So yeah, it's a huge market, and it's not just Amazon. It's also eBay, eBay, and so on. So yeah, definitely.
Mashallah. So, how did you like Atlanta so far? Since
It's okay, it's a different place than San Jose. It's a big place, big market, and community is nice out here, and it's just really nice, really nice. And we haven't. So the weather's pretty much been the same as California so far. We haven't seen anything, but I'm sure the weather's going to change soon.
Definitely, yeah, mashallah. Okay, brother, thank you really so much for this opportunity.
No problem.
Inshallah, appreciate for your updates.
Okay.
Inshallah, we're gonna end this interview. 1 sec. Hold on.